Hi all, welcome to Numeriq Learning. So as a part of revising class 9th mathematics portions, we are in polynomials right now and we will continue our revision of algebraic identities. So in the previous video we would have covered say 3 to 4 algebraic identities, and we can revise it quickly now and then move on with the other identities. Okay, there are a total of 8 identities which you have to remember. So the one which we saw in the previous video is nothing but, the first one is x or a plus b the whole square, which is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. The second one is nothing but a minus b the whole square. Okay, so a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so this is one type, and the third one is nothing but a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. And another important part is the fourth one. It's nothing but x plus a into x plus b. This is a very important one because you'll have to identify the common x term in both. It's nothing but x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so these were the 4 identities that we already revised in the previous, and we did also solve some questions based on this. Okay, the fifth one that we will see today is nothing but a plus b plus c the whole square. It's nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so this is one identity that we will be seeing today. Apart from this, we also have the cube of the binomials. It's nothing but you have an identity which is a plus b the whole cube, and the seventh one is nothing but a minus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? It is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, and a minus b the whole cube is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. You can even open the brackets and also write it. So these are the 7 identities, and there's one more. The 8th one, I'll write it separately. 8th one is nothing but, suppose you have an identity like this: a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is nothing but a plus b plus c multiplied by a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, so let us solve some problems based on the other identities. Okay, so till the 4th one we already saw in the previous video. So today we will see from the 5th identity onwards, which is nothing but a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Even if you are given in this form, this is called the expanded form and this is called the compressed form. Expanded form, the bigger form, right, the lengthier form. This is the expanded form and this is the short form or compressed form. Okay, so let us do some problems based on these identities. The very first question for the day is nothing but, you can make a note of it: x plus 2y plus 4z the whole square. So the minute you see this question, okay, and you have to solve for it, you have to identify which algebraic identity it is. It is nothing but your a plus b plus c the whole square, which is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here you have got your a is nothing but your x. Okay, so this is your a, this is your b, and this is your c. Okay, got it? So now let us do it. So this is nothing but your a square, that is x square, plus 2y the whole square plus 4z the whole square plus 2 into a into b. A is nothing but your x, b is nothing but your 2y, plus 2 into b into c. bc is nothing but 2y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x, right? And just solve it. So this is nothing but you'll have your x square plus 2y the whole square is 4y square plus 4 square 16z square plus 2 into 2 4xy plus 2 2s are 4 4 4s are 16yz plus 2 into 4 8 into zx, okay, plus 8zx. So this is your final answer. Probably would come for your 2-mark question or 3-mark question even, in order to expand the following or solve this. So in order to do this question, it is very important that you learn this specific identity. Okay, a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Let us do another question. Okay, pause the video and please try it yourself. Let us see another question. The next question is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. So whenever you are asked such identities, you have to compare. Okay, so you have to compare it with a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so let us write what is a here, minus 2x. So minus 2x the whole square plus what is b, 3y the whole square plus what is c, 2z the whole square plus, after that don't look here. Okay, don't look here, just look at a, b and c. Okay, so plus 2 into minus 2x into 3y plus 2bc, 3y into 2z plus 2 into 2z into minus 2x. Okay, so now let us open the bracket. So minus 2x the whole square is nothing but 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 xy plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 yz. Again you have a minus, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8zx. So this is your final answer. Okay, so whenever you are asked such questions, please make sure you write the identity. Okay, so one homework for you, one homework question for all of you seeing this video here. The question is, solve 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 the whole square. Okay, so you have to compare this with, as usual. Okay, what is your a, or it's nothing but 1 by 4a. What's your b? Minus 1 by 2b. And what is your c? C is nothing but 1. So you have to just put it in the formula the way we did it here. And okay, so this is the one which you have to make a note of it. Okay, so this is a very important formula. Okay, please do make a note of it, and I hope you will definitely be able to solve this. Okay, let me put it in a box so that you people remember. It's very, very important. Okay, so you have to use this formula and solve here. Yeah, okay. Now there's another type of question. The other type of question is, so here you were given in the compressed form, shorter form, right? Compressed form, you were expanding it. Suppose your question is this. You have to quickly identify, oh, it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So the compressed form would be this. You will be given your RHS, you will be asked your LHS. So let us do two questions based on that. Question is, factorize this. Number 1, 4x square plus 9y square, okay, plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. This is your question. Okay. So the minute you see this question, you have to understand that you are given the expanded form. Okay. You have to convert it and write it in the compressed form. Okay. So far what you were saying, you were given in compressed, you were asked the expanded form. But now you should quickly say that this is very similar to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay. So how can you write 4x square? You can write it as 2x the whole square. How can you write b? 3y the whole square. C, that is 16z square, 4z the whole square. After that, stop looking there. Just write it. Okay, you have written a square, you have written b square, you have written c square. Just look at it and rewrite it. Okay, it's nothing but plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into 4z. Okay, and then plus 2 multiplied by 4z into 2x. Okay, now let us validate. Now here what is the next problem is you have you have two negative signs here, isn't it? Remaining everything is fine. This is okay, 4x square, this is 9y square, this is 16z square. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, xy, this is also correct. But here if you see, there's a negative sign. Otherwise, the values are all correct. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, yz, everything is right. Now, there is negative sign in two of the terms. So, you have to see which is the common variable in both the terms. It is z, right? Z is in both the terms. So, what you have to do is you have to put a z, put a negative sign in only the z terms. Okay. So, here, finally, this is your correct expanded form. And finally, you can have 2x plus 3y minus 4z. The whole square will be your compressed form. Okay. Let me give you one question for your homework. Homework is nothing but similarly, you have to just convert the expanded form into compressed form. The question is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Okay, so you have to convert and write it in the compressed form. You have to just solve it and factorize it. Okay, factorize. So, you should let me know in the comments if you are able to do this. Okay. Hope you liked it. Please do share, do subscribe, and do comment if you were able to do these questions. Thank you.